Hello all YouTubers, I'm the Weather Dude. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to my presentation for February 15th, 2019. Today's video is going to be my 5th definition video, I know I haven't done one in a while, about what is a blizzard and what does it bring to your area. So stay tuned for that. As always, please subscribe and also ring the bell notifications after you subscribe. That's very helpful, thank you. So we're going to talk about, again, a blizzard. So a definition of a blizzard, okay? Now, all these factors. So for 3 hours or longer, it has to have a sustained winds of or frequent wind gusts to 35 miles per hour or more. Okay? That's one thing. Besides the 3 hours or longer. And all snow has to be falling. Excuse me. So snow has to be falling. Has to be blowing snow. And or blowing snow. Reducing visibility to less than a quarter of a mile. That's what you get with a blizzard. So we're going to focus on the southwest and western United States in this video. And this is the CMC gem model. I will show you actual radar as well. This is not actual radar. So again, storm after storm after storm is just going to keep plowing into the western coast of the United States. And I want you to focus on this area right here. Okay, and I'm going to also show you a snowfall map. And just look at how this area in the Sierra Nevada just keeps getting hit by snow. It could calm down for a while in the next few days. Okay, and then eventually storm after storm will keep coming back. So that same area, how much snow you're going to see in the next 10 days? Yeah, it's going to be a lot. Okay, we're talking about 48 inches in some spots. And even think above 5,000 feet, you could even pick up close to 6 feet of snow, or probably, 5 feet of snow. And then again, at higher elevations, Northern California could pick up close to 3 feet. And also in the higher elevations of Oregon and Arizona could pick up close to 3 feet. All these areas highlighted in yellow do have the chance to approach 30 inches in the next 10 days. With the area, of course, in California having the best chance. So just in the next 84 hours, let's look at the NAM 12KM model. Because this is going to be blizzard conditions, which is why I'm talking about this. Okay, so next 84 hours, we could pick up more than 2 feet in Sierra Nevada right there. Okay, and I will show you radar right now. That is what the NAM provides, actual radar. So, for right now, okay, this is right now, the 18Z run. And you can, again, I want you to focus in on here because this storm, these is why I love Western Coast storms, because they're so organized usually when they come on. Because you can see, and then, let me change my color. Let's go to red. Okay, and out ahead of it, you're going to have this nice band of rain out ahead of it. Because, again, there is that flow that comes out of the south and east, out of the head of the storm. So that flow of the south and east, around the storm, is going to bring that rain. And, of course, behind it, it's dry. Again, I want you to focus in on this area, the Sierra Nevada and California. Okay, watch the next 84 hours. After storm after storm after storm, we'll push in and produce lots of snowfall. Lots and lots and lots of snowfall. Okay, and I will show you now the FE3 GFS radar, although this radar is not as accurate, and also doesn't even cover the western United States. You can't even zoom in. In my videos coming up, I will talk about Winter Storm Nadia, okay, as well as a storm that could be coming in on Wednesday. Okay, Nadia, this is the remnants of Nadia, and I really don't even want to talk about it because it's a very small storm. It will produce a lot of ice, and I will briefly talk about it right now. It does produce some ice. Okay, spoiler alert. There will be some ice in this region right in here. But by the time it hits to Virginia and Maryland and the Carolinas, well, North Carolina and West Virginia, it's going to shrivel down to nothing. Literally, the snow will be like this big right here. It's going to be like this big, not even. Okay, so snow coverage. And it's only going to produce about an inch or two. But anyway, back to the west. Okay, so you can see focus right in on this region. Okay. And we start to move our clock forward. And you can continue to see storm. And like I said, right at region about 3 to 6 days. And again, if you look over here in the mid-Atlantic, there is that storm I'm talking about on Wednesday. But if you focus your attention back to the west, from the 3-day period to that 4 days from now period, even 5 days from now, even a week from now, we're pretty much quiet. Okay? So not much in the way of action going on. 3 days from now to about 7 days from now. That 3 to 7 day time frame. Okay? So that is my definition video on what is a blizzard. I hope you enjoyed. Again, it has to lasts 3 hours or longer. In 3 hours or 3 hours or longer has to be 35-mile-an-hour winds or more, and there has to be at least 3 hours of falling snow and or blowing snow, and at least 3 hours of visibility less than a quarter of a mile. So thank you for watching. I am the Weather Dude, signing off. Till next time. Don't forget to subscribe.